Another adjustment you may need to make to text in your Word document is the case. Case refers to the capital letters being used either in title, a sentence, a group of words. There are a number of different cases to choose from, and we have simply typed our paragraph as we see here in The Way to Wellness. Typically, the beginning of the sentence is capitalized. You can see some proper names and titles being capitalized, but this is what we would call sentence case. If you want to have the title all the uppercase, that is also an option here in Word. So if you don't type in the things where you want them case wise, you can always go back to change them as we are going to do with this document. Let's start by going to this paragraph at the top. We will select it by going into the left margin next to it where you can see the arrow. Click once to select it. Now we are going to go to up to font group here with the home tab selected on the ribbon, and you will notice there is a drop down arrow next to this change case button. Clicking this displays the various case options. There are sentence case right at the top. That's being used already in this particular sentence or paragraph. If you want everything to be in the lowercase, we can choose that. The reverse is uppercase. We might want to capitalize each word. Works for some titles. And then there is one called toggle case. Go ahead and give it a click. This can happen on occasions where perhaps you have your caps lock key turned on without knowing it, and you hit shift in the first letter. Actually it creates a lowercase letter and everything else is uppercase. In the reverse of what you have really wanted. In that case, you can always go back and select it like we have there. Go back to the change case drop down and toggle the case. It will toggle back and forth. There's that where we start. This might look good with each word capitalized. Let's try that. We will click the drop down once again and go to capitalize each word, and you can see that what that looks like. It's better for some titles. In this case, this is more sentence, so let's try something else. We'll go back up, click drop down for change case. This time try uppercase. In this case, you can see every single character is capitalized, and that's going to work for this particular subtitle. Just click in the background to deselect it, and in fact I think we should do the same thing for the next paragraph, which is subtitle. We'll just go in there, click once in the left hand margin, back up change case and choose uppercase. Click in the background to deselect. So for those particular headings, uppercase is going to be work some instance, and you may have the title that looks good in each word capitalized. In this case, Tech Connect, you can see this is using that particular option from our drop down known as capitalize each word. The point is, if you have used the wrong case in the first place, you can always go back and change it.